So let's see how to track purchase for Facebook pixel. So first of all, go to Tag Manager and go to Preview option. Connect and continue. Let's purchase a product. Check out. And place order. Let's see the tag. This is the purchase event and data layer variable. So we are purchased one product, that's why it show one product. But if we purchase two product, like add to cart it and add to cart it. Let's view cart and proceed the checkout and place order. Now we have purchased two products. Let's see what happening here. So here is the two product. So that means we have to collect two product ID from here dynamically and their total value. So that's why we have to make another data layer variable for getting dynamic product ID. Just follow this simple step. First of all, we need the total value. That's why we make a purchase value data layer. Just copy it and go to the variable section and select the data layer variable. This is data layer variable and paste it and save it. And we also track dynamically the product item. That's why we have to make purchase product. Rename it and this one will be data layer variable. So this is data layer variable and copy this code and paste it here and save it. Let's make another JavaScript variable. So select new and copy the name. So it will be the custom JavaScript variable because we have to collect all product IDs dynamically. Just copy the shortcode here and paste it here and save changes. Then make a trigger. Click on new and give a name here, Facebook purchase trigger, and make custom event. Just copy this name from here and paste it here and save changes. And finally make a tag. Go to the new tag, Facebook purchase tag. Select the Facebook pixel, select pixel code, select the purchase and get properties. So just go here and select the product type. Product type always will be the product, and then value will be the purchase value, because we have to collect all purchase price. Now we have to import currency, select currency, and finally we have to track content IDs. So this is content ID, and select the JavaScript code. Make sure select the JavaScript code and select the purchase trigger and submit it. Submit with the name purchase and publish it. So we have done all the tasks, and now we have to check it. So we are already in debug mode. Go to our home page and refresh it, and add to cart couple of products, 2 and 3. I have add to cart 3 products. Go to checkout page and place the order. I have purchased 3 products. Let's check it. This is purchase event. Yes. Let's see. This is contact type, content ID, total value, and total currency are same. That means it's working properly. So we have to confirm more. So that's why go to event manager and clear all data. Go to test event and open website, and also do the same thing, purchase many product. Now I want to purchase 2 products, so go to checkout and place order and go. Now the purchase ID and value are going on Facebook pixel, so that means it's working properly. If you have any query, feel free to visit mdnasimreza.com and send me a message here. And if you need my service that I am providing, you can also contact me. Also, you can visit my Upwork profile, because I am a freelancer. I am providing my marketing service through on Upwork. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.